AJ's Tech Review.
Are you finished with the light? I mean, it's, again, entirely unnecessary.
Oh no, if we're going to do it, let's do it.
I just wanted to clean it out because you were moaning about the noise.
Oh no, now we're going to do the full cleaning review.
How do I clean out my Mac Pro?
Antique Mac Pro.
It's not an antique.
Oh no, sorry, new Mac.
I just don't have £7 to
cheapskate
buy an iMac Pro. I mean, if Apple sponsored this video, maybe.
They're not going to sponsor because you don't actually offer any value. I mean, this is a very searchable video. AJ blows hot air is what we'll call it.
We'll be using an air duster. I got mine with straw.
Yeah.
For 99p.
Cheapskate.
Pound stretcher.
See, that's how we're going to make money out of this video.
Pound stretcher. Pound stretcher, you can get almost everything you want for £1. This was £1. It's got a little straw, goes in and it blows cold air. It's just a can of air.
Can you blow it in your hair just to see what it does? That's the thumbnail. This is AJ's top-down cam.
Pete, everyone can see with this your hand.
No, it's not. It's on a rig. Don't use that shot. Use this shot.
That's definitely your hand.
Things you need to know. We'll put them on the screen here. Things you need to know.
Don't shake it.
Don't shake it.
You only use it for short bursts.
Short bursts.
Keep it upright.
Yeah.
When it gets cold, stop using it.
Okay, I've only got room for 4. Is there any more?
Watch someone else's tutorial because it'll probably be better.
I definitely have room for... We'll make room for the 5th by putting it right across your head. I've put a little... It's a cryptic message I've drawn in the dust for you.
What is that?
It's
Yes.
Yeah, it's just art.
Is that a cactus?
Yeah.
What's this that's coming off the end of it?
That's the prick.
I'll be honest, this is taking way longer than I thought it was going to.
It's probably the most boring video I ever thought of. Right, how about we use some kind of fancy transition? Yeah, all the bits are kind of magically back in. Just make sure it hits the lens. I mean, where did you... Wow, you're really bad at this. And that's it. So that should be fine.
I'll be honest, I've got no idea what I'm doing.
I mean, okay, have another go at that.
More confidence.
Yeah, cool. So go again. Yeah, and that should be it now.
Hopefully that should probably maybe work.
I wouldn't trust that as a testimonial. So if you could...
More.
Yeah, ramp it up and...
But we're not actually sure that it's...
Yeah, but I'll edit it in a way that makes it look like you know what you're doing. Yeah, and there you go, that's it.
Yeah, this will definitely work.
I give up. Oh wow, I look really excited. Yeah, and in there, that's where I'll insert it.
What are you inserting?
Your video, don't worry about it.